What up, guys? It's your boy McDilligan Ninja Boy, aka Mr. Torres, right here, Houston, Texas.
Oh, one name.
Three. Yeah. Thank you.
Okay.
Lights. So this is way better than expected, and it's way bigger. Considering the price, this is a very nice deal. It's a bigger room, a king size bed. I got my little table right here. This is like 46 50-inch TV, flat screen. Yeah, this is actually a very good deal. It's a big hotel, big room. And this costs about $55. 49 plus tax runs into 55, 56. So this is a very good deal. Let's check out the bathroom. Yeah, I think I like this for the price. Yeah, very good deal. So I recommend this. It's Wingate. I'm definitely recommending this hotel. It's a Wyndham. It's a chain of hotels, but Wyndhams are very good. This is the second or third time I'm gonna stay in a Wyndham, so I like it. This hotel is like 2 minutes to my to the airport, Bush International Airport, Continental Airport, IAH, Houston, Texas, the US.